My name is Abhishek Harinath Singh. Today's video topic is air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of air due to the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings or cause damage to the climate or to materials. It is also the contamination of indoor or outdoor surrounding either by chemical activities, physical or biological agents that alters the natural features of the atmosphere. There are many different types of air pollutants such as gases including ammonia, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxides, methane and chlorofluorocarbons, particulates both organic and inorganic, biological cause diseases, biological cause diseases, allergies and even death to the humans. It can also cause harm to other living organisms as animals and crops and may damage the natural environment, for example climate change, depletion or habitat degradation, or built environment, for example acid rain. Air pollution can cause by air pollution can cause by both activities and natural phenomena. Air quality is closely related to the Earth's climate and ecosystems globally. Many of the contributors of air pollution are also sources of greenhouse emission. Burning of fossil fuels. Air pollution is a significant risk factor for a number of pollution related diseases, including respiratory infections, heart disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), stroke, and lung cancer. Growing evidence suggests that air pollution exposure may be associated with reduced IQ scores, impaired cognition, cognition, increased risk for psychiatric disorders such as depression, and detrimental perinatal health. The human health effects of poor air quality of far-reaching but principally affect the body's respiratory system and the cardiovascular system. Individual reactions to air pollutants depends on the type of pollutant a person is exposed to, the degree of exposure, and the individual's health status and genetics. Outdoor air pollution attributable, attributable to fossil fuel use alone causes million deaths annually. Million deaths annually. Million deaths annually, making it one of the top contributors to human death, with anthropogenic ozone and PM causing 2.1 million. Overall, air pollution causes the deaths of around 7 million people worldwide each year, or a global mean loss of their expectancy LLE of 2.9 years, and is the world's largest single environmental health risk, which has not shown significant progress since at least 2015. Indoor air pollution and poor urban air quality are listed as two of the world's worst toxic pollution problems in the 2008 Blacksmith Institute World's Worst Polluted Places report. The scope report the scope of the air pollution crisis is large. In 2018, WHO estimated that 9 out of 10 people breathe air containing high levels of pollutants. Although the health consequences are extensive, the way the problem is handled is considered largely haphazard or neglected. Productivity losses and degraded quality of life caused by air pollution are estimated to cost the world economy trillion per year. But along with health and mortality impacts are an externality to the contemporary economic system, and most human activity, albeit sometimes being moderately regulated and monitored. Various pollution control technologies and strategies are available to reduce air pollution. Several international and national legislations and regulation have been developed to limit the negative effect of air pollution. Rules, when properly executed, have resulted in significant advances in public health. Some of these efforts have been successful at the international level, such as Montreal Protocol, which reduced the release of harmful ozone depleting chemicals, and the 1985 Helsinki Protocol reduced sulfur emissions, while others, such as international action on climate change, been less successful. Thank you.